today I'm gonna try ASMR. Sorry guys, but I'm not gonna whisper because I can't whisper. If I whisper, my voice will be like this. You can't even hear me, right? So now, I don't know how to whisper. If you guys don't trust me, I don't know. By the way, I'm trying my best. So I'm trying my best.
細個咧就唔係好理口腔護理嘅，大個就會 take care 多少少。擔心啊，因為我有一個比我年紀大少少嘅親戚咧，就係因為牙肉萎縮，所以佢搞到甩牙啦，又要植牙，使咗10幾萬，即係成個過程好辛苦啦，同埋好長時間。如果我知道牙萎縮可以去到咁嚴重，我一定會諗方法去預防。棚牙用一世㗎嘛，我又咁中意食嘢喎，梗係唔想嘥錢植牙啦。呢隻咪就係我用緊嗰隻咯。其實每日除翻開都係幾蚊雞啫嘛，又可以保障到自己嘅牙齒喎，亦都有機會可以慳翻未來用嘅嗰隻牙10幾萬，諗翻都抵啦。乜原來瘦口水都可以預防牙肉萎縮，咁幾好喎！每日用，每日做。原來係實重喎！即用和田保健貼，特有日本慢充足15年濃縮促造液，吸收力極強，先至係貼上身嘅抽濕機，貼完健康醒神。日本和田保健貼。其實我一直都好怕甩頭髮，食維生素之素，點解生髮咁快脆？因為佢有纖維等元素，增加長發生人工滋養幫腎。
拜拜。